Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I had a short open on Bitcoin which closed just now in the profits. I have the Ethereum short still open as well. We're going to jump into the technicals. Hit the subscribe button. Join 70,000 people now following this channel. Smash up the thumbs up button. And across the videos on this channel, we're getting 30,000 views a day, which is the size of a giant stadium, which is absolutely amazing. I'm here in Dubai with the Burj Khalifa behind me, which is beautiful. We're going to jump straight into the charts for Bitcoin now. And now we're going to the chart. And right now, the market is kind of even today. Not so much change. Coinbase, the stocks on Friday getting annihilated though. So that's not so good. But let's jump into Bitcoin. Bitcoin USDT on the first on the daily. Stochastic is oversold, but still heading, or not really oversold, midway, still heading down. A lot of volume, but the volume the last 2 days has dropped off considerably. And right now we're on a very big support here. This is important. This is why my trade closed in the profits. If you followed my last videos, I opened a short on Bitcoin up here and it closed down here in the profits, which is beautiful. I'll show you that in the later video. But right now we're at a very important moment. If Bitcoin doesn't get a big bounce here, and I don't think it's going to do that because the stochastic is still heading down. If it doesn't get a big bounce to 45, it's going to get annihilated. And the distance that we can, so what you're looking at, if you're looking at these charts going, what the fuck is it? This is technical analysis. You can learn this with my 6,000 students. This is Bitcoin moving for the last, since 11th of November, and I called the top up here, and we've been in a downtrend. Now we're forming a kind of bearish pennant. This is a bearish pennant that can drop down very strong. If Bitcoin doesn't bounce here, the distance that we can fall is the base of this pennant, this distance here. So Bitcoin right now is at a very important moment that we really needed to hold. If it doesn't hold here, if Bitcoin doesn't hold on this pennant, it will drop down to 29,000, and that's the major support that I see for Bitcoin. So right now is a moment of truth for Bitcoin, and stochastic is still heading down. EMA ribbons, still they're turning to head down again. No more bull market. The double bottom failed. We're right now on the last major support of Bitcoin at 38,000. If we don't get a big bounce here, there's no major support here, which is going to be brutal. There's no buying down below, so we can really fall down to that 29k. The crypto guru bot fired a sell a few days ago. It switched back to a sell, which is not nice. And the Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell as well. So it looks like Bitcoin is going to be dropping most likely to 29,000 if we don't get a bounce here. Let's go into the 4 hour. Wait, let's look. So we're looking at, when we look on the daily, we're looking at the overall time frame. Squeeze mob is going again to the red side. Money flow is starting to flow a little bit back into Bitcoin, but stochastic is heading down. So it's trying to get a bounce, but the bounce is failing. In my opinion, the market knows about potential limitations that the US government is going to do because Russia is doing sanctions. If you watched my videos a while ago, I talked about how Bitcoin was going to have a pump, which we did. We sold out of that pump, and then it's going to have a drop because of the pump was from all the Russians and Ukrainians escaping their country's limitations on their banking accounts and moving into Bitcoin. The drop is going to come when the US government does something to stop the Russians getting around the sanctions. And they're going to try to do something, in my opinion, to Bitcoin. And that's what's going to cause us to drop to 29k. But let's jump back into the technicals. So on the 4 hourly, stochastic very oversold, but still turning to head down. We had a little bit of a recovery, but it's failing. And it's coming right now to that major trend support line. I do expect that we're going to have a bounce here at 37,900. And normally when you come here, you're going to have a big bounce to 45,000. But I think it's going to bounce and then fail and drop to 29,000 in my opinion. And it's going to form a giant head and shoulder formation like this and then drop. The base of the wedge, that's going to take us to 29,000. That's what I think is going to be happening to Bitcoin. And hopefully you followed my videos a while ago and got out of Bitcoin on time. Squeeze mob is going towards the red side again. Money flow index starting to flow back into Bitcoin, quite oversold, but I think it's going to turn down and there's going to be some panic here. EMA ribbons, we're below the EMA ribbons, they're turning to head down. VPVR, again, no major support under this 38k. Stock, the crypto guru bot fired a sell just in the last 4 hourly candle. It switched back to a sell, everyone. The Bitcoin indicator bot is also firing a sell. So we're going to be, in my opinion, we're going to fail this support and Bitcoin is going to drop. And I'm going to show you my trades. On the hourly, we're also very oversold, selling pressure coming. It looks like we're going to drop further. And let's see my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, this is my trades from yesterday or the day before's video. Ethereum is currently up 50% when I shorted at 2,700. Now we're sitting at 2,593. 10x leverage trade if you followed my live trades. Bitcoin, this trade closed in the profits, up 62%. If you followed my video when I warned everyone, get out of Bitcoin and Ethereum, get out of stocks. And since then, we've dropped more than 10% across the stocks, even 15%. So that's what I'm talking about if you follow my videos. Bitcoin trade up 62%. It closed in the profits at 38,139, 10x leverage trade, which is beautiful. We had a bounce exactly off my close, by the way. We bounced back off there, but it looks like it's going to drop further. And if you want to follow my trades, and then I'm going to show you some very cool information also at the end of the video. If you want to follow my trades, underneath this video on your phone, smash up this thumbs up button, click the subscribe button so you're notified of my daily videos. We're about to hit 70,000 subscribers today. Hit this bell and turn on all notifications. And if you want to see my live trades as I make them in stocks, cryptos, when I short Bitcoin, when I short cryptos, when I buy stocks, when I sell stocks, you click this join button to follow my live trades. And if you want to trade how you're seeing me do, this is the software that I use to trade. This Bybit trading software, Bitcoin trading on Bybit. Go down below this video, click this Bybit trading Bybit link, sign up, and you get a sign up bonus of $4,100. And once you click it and you sign up, you get this trading software. And this is in my account. I have $187,520 US dollars, 4.9 worth of Bitcoin now, 187,521. I made 500 on that Bitcoin trade. All of it, almost 182,000 is US dollars. I've got a short open on Ethereum, $240 in the profits, 47%. It was just a $500 trade that made $240 in the profits. 10x leverage, so it's $5,000. My Bitcoin trade closed in the profits also, which is beautiful. That's the Bitcoin trade that closed here. I'm going to show you what trades I would open right now. That's the Ethereum trade is still open. That's the Bitcoin trade that closed in the profits. MCRT, everyone, is just pumping while Bitcoin's been dropping. Now, 3.1 million people put MCRT on their watch list. 3.1 million people. The price has gone up. It went up 30% yesterday. Now sitting at just 1.3 cents. The market cap is 4.5 million. I am the founder of MCRT. We're making a play to earn game. It's going to be the World of Warcraft of play to earn. Fully diluted market cap is 132 million. The volume yesterday was 493,000. And to put this in, and also top GameFi and NFT projects on fire, MCRT it's ranking now. It's coming 1, 2, Sandbox, Mbox, SSS, Seaward, GQ. We're coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th. And this is my project. I'm the founder of this project. We've got Unity, Binance. It's 4.3 million market cap, which is beautiful. And again, this is what I'm talking about. Bitcoin on CoinMarket has 2.8 million people on its watch list. MCRT, because of the airdrop that we're doing now, has 3.1 million people on the watch list. We're growing like crazy. These are some drawables from the game, from the development studios. This is what the 3D characters, they're making these 2D characters, and then they're converting it into 3D drawables that will be used inside the game. Check out this guy. He's amazing. And what's amazing is these characters will also be NFTs that you own. These are some stats from MCRT. 52,000 people on the subscriber list now on Twitter, subscribers, 1.6 million on CoinMarketCap. Now it's 3 million 2 days later. It's growing insane. Telegram, 40,000 people. MCRT is growing like crazy, which is amazing. So where I would open trades right now is I would wait for Bitcoin to bounce here on this 37,900. When the bounce fails, I will then short it at 39,000 to be dropping down to 29,000. So I'm going to open a short position from here. I'll put a very tight stop loss if the short fails, and my take profit will be the first support line, which will be down here, 34,000. That's a 4.06 ratio trade. I'm risking $1,100 on my stop to make $4,700 unleveraged. $4,700 of profits unleveraged. If I use 10x leverage, that would be $47,000 of profits. If I use 100x leverage, that'll be $470,000 of profits. So again, I'm going to open a short when Bitcoin comes to this support, bounces, then I'm going to short it for the drop down to 34 and then 29K. So I'll open my short at 39,356. So I'm going to open a short on Bitcoin. Limit, order price, 39,000. By the way, I called that drop amazingly before it happened. 39,356. That's when my short will open. On Bitcoin, it's going to be $1,000 short. Confirm. So it won't open until that price is met. It's a limit order. So it won't open until 39,356 is met. Then my stop loss will be 40,500 and my take profit will be 34,600. So I'm going to set those I'm setting the trade before it even starts. So the take profit, 34,600. That's the take profit, 34,000. It's a short, so I'm expecting Bitcoin to be dropping after it has that slight recovery. And the stop loss will be 40,500, right? 40,500 is the stop loss. Take profit 34,600. That is correct. 40,500. So I'm risking $271 to make $1,100 profit. So a very nice trade. 4-to-1 ratio trade. Confirm that trade is already set to go. So it's already ordered, set to go. It's already done the trade. The take profit, the stop loss, and when the trade is open is already set. And again, the Ethereum trade is up $245, 48%, which is beautiful. And I'm mainly in US dollars. In my stock portfolio, in my crypto, I'm nearly all US dollars. I have millions of dollars as a venture capitalist in the crypto space. I have millions and millions locked in projects. But all my tradable accounts are now in US dollars. If you followed my warnings on Twitter, I gave this warning 2 days ago. Warning, Bitcoin, Ethereum stocks, nuclear narrative. And then I closed all my trades and I went short on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the short on Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing amazing. You can follow me on Twitter as well, James Crypto Guru. Make sure you follow the blue check mark. I'm now verified 9,100 followers now, which is 19,000 we hit yesterday, which is amazing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. Smash up the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button. That was so much information in a very short period of time. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.